Hello students, for class 10 NCERT exercise 4.1 CBSE quadratic equation. In this video we are seeing quadratic equation. Third chapter we will take later. So fourth chapter quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation. இப்போ ax plus b equal to 0 அப்படிங்கிறது linear equation. Why we call it as linear equation means the degree is 1. So when the degree is 1 it is called a linear equation. When the degree is 2, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is called quadratic equation provided a not equal to 0 and b also not equal to 0. This is general form. So first question, x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. Use a plus b whole square formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So x cancel plus 2x minus 2x. So you are getting x squared plus 7x. So இதில் வந்து x squared minus 2x, this one take minus 2 inside. So minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x, bring these two terms, 3 is 2. So when the degree is 2, it is quadratic equation. Subdivision 3, multiply x into x, x squared, x into 1, 1x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Similarly, x into x, x squared, multiply this and multiply this. So b side, so 2x minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. But here x squared cancel ஆனதுனால it is a linear equation because here degree is 1. So when the degree is 1, it is known as linear equation. That means not quadratic equation. So question number subdivision 4 la x minus 3 2x plus 1 equal to x bracket x plus 5. Degree equal to 2, therefore quadratic equation. 2x minus 1, x minus 3 equal to x plus 5, x minus 1. 2x into x, 2x squared, 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, minus 1 into x, minus 1x, minus into minus plus. X into x, x squared, x into minus 1, minus 1x, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 1, minus 5. So bring all the terms this side, then plus 8. So quadratic equation. So a minus b whole square, identity given here, x squared minus 4x plus 4. So bring this term this side. So x squared getting cancelled, plus 3x plus 4x 7x, then plus 5. So degree 1. When degree 1, it is not quadratic equation, it is linear. In the place of a x, in the place of b 2. So a cube plus b cube, then 3ab, 3ab, this is a and this is b. Then a plus b according to this identity, then this is 2x into this, a 2x cube, 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. So simplify, 3 2s are 6, 6x, then x plus 2. So that you are getting, you bring all the terms to this side. Here minus x cube minus 2x cube minus x cube, quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation. So this is not quadratic equation. Then this is cubic, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube, 3ab bracket a minus b. The formula identity. So according to this you expand. So a cube minus b cube, 2 cube means 8, 3ab, 3ab, then a minus b. So 3 into minus 6, then x into x, x squared, then plus 12x. So bring all the term this side. So x cube will be getting cancelled. 9. Here degree 2. So it is quadratic equation. Now representing the following statement in the form of quadratic equation. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters squared. This is length and this is breadth. So area means L into B equal to 528. So the length in meters is 1 more than twice the breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Is na எப்பவுமே equal to 1 more means plus 1, twice means 2, then breadth. அப்போ breadth தான் நம்ம we keep it as x. Usually let the length be x அப்படின்னு எழுதுவோம், not that way. So இங்கே வந்து 1 more அப்படிங்கிறப்ப plus 1. So length is equal to twice the breadth plus 1 more. So area of the rectangle is substitute 28 plus in the side varappo minus. So this is quadratic equation. The product of two consecutive positive integers is x plus 1. You know consecutive positive integers means if one is x, another one is x plus 1. Product means multiply equal to 306. Then after that you simplify, you are getting x into x, x square plus x, bring 306 this side, this is the quadratic equation. Then the next one, Rogan's mother is 26 years older than him. அப்போ ரோகனுடைய ஏஜ் எக்ஸ் இயர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. let the Rogan's age be x years. ரோகன்ஸ் மதர் ஏஜ் அப்படி ஈஸ் அப்படின்னாவே ஈக்குவல் டு 26 years ஓல்டர். அப்போ ப்ளஸ் 26 years ஓல்டர் தேன் ஹிஸ் சன்ஸ் ஏஜ் எக்ஸ். ரோகன்ஸுடைய மதர்ஸ் ஏஜ் 26 years ஓல்டர். The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. 3 years from now means hence. அப்போ 3 years from now அப்படிங்கிறப்ப x plus 3 இப்போ இருந்து 3 years கழிச்சு this is equal to இதனுடைய ஏஜ் அப்போ என்னாகும், இங்கே plus 3 ஆட் பண்ண மாதிரி here also you are adding x plus 26 plus 3. Since it is given the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. இதனுடைய product this is equal to 360. Then what would you like to find Rogan's present age? As we told here, x plus 3 into x plus 29. How you got 26 plus 3 equal to 360. Now you x into x into 29, 3 into x, 3 into 29. So hope you understand the product 360. அவ்வளோதான். A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less. இப்போ suppose x km per hour ங்கிறது we consider the speed of train. If the speed had been 8 km per hour, இப்போ train வந்து it goes slowly. 1 ஹவருக்கு 8 கிலோமீட்டர் ஸ்லோவாக போதும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 8 ஆயிருமா, யூஸ்வல் ஸ்பீட் எக்ஸ் கிலோமீட்டர், ஹியர் லெஸ் ஸ்லோ ஸ்பீட் மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 8 kilometer per hour. So original speed x kilometer. Now when it goes slowly x minus 8 kilometer per hour, then it would be, அப்போ time travel வந்து it would be more. If the usual time when it goes x kilometer per hour means let the time be t. So when it goes slow, the time would be 3 hours more to go. அங்கே போகிறதுக்கு இன்னும் 3 hours வந்து extra it takes the time. It covers the time. Then what would be the original speed? So we know the formula, distance equal to speed into time or distance by speed equal to time. ஸோ இந்த ஒரிஜினல் டைமுக்கும் இப்போ இதில் வர்ற டைமுக்கும் உள்ள டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து 3 hours. அதை தான் நம்ம வந்து இங்கே ஃபாலோ பண்ண போகிறோம். இந்த கொஸ்டின் இட் இஸ் கிவன் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் as 480 கிலோமீட்டர். ஸோ ஒரிஜினல் டைம் என்ன, டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பை ஸ்பீடு 480 கிலோமீட்டர் பர் எக்ஸ் ஹவர்ஸு. இங்கே டைம் அப்படிங்கிறப்போ இதனுடைய யூனிட் என்னவாக இருக்கும், நமக்கு கண்டிப்பாக ஹவர்ஸாக இருக்கும். அதனால தான் இங்கே எக்ஸ் ஹவர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எழுதியிருக்கோம். தென் டிக்ரீஸ்டு ஸ்பீடு, குறைக்கப்பட்ட அந்த நேரம் வந்து x-8 எக்ஸ் கிலோமீட்டர் பர் ஹவர். ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்பீடு வந்து எக்ஸ் கிலோமீட்டர், டிக்ரீஸ் ஸ்பீடு x-8. ஸோ difference in time equal to 3 hours. So why you are writing it at first? Because when the denominator is more, the answer will be less. So suppose inga 4/11, inga 4/12, this is smaller. When the value of denominator is increasing, the total value is decreasing. இதனுடைய value small, இது comparing with this is greater. So that you are writing 480 by x-8, then 480 by x equal to 3 hours. You take 480 common, so cross multiply, இங்கே வேணால் ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எழுதிக்கலாம். Implies 480 1 by x-8 minus 1 by x equal to 3 hours. After that இங்கே cross multiply பண்ணிக்க, you take x into multiply this, 3 will bring down, then x into x squared, now 1820. So this is the quadratic equation. Now this step hope you understand. Here 480 விட்டுட்டு you just write 1 by x-8 minus 1 by x. This 1 by x, here x is greater. When you divide 1 by greater number, the whole value will be small. When you divide, here x-8 is smaller, this is smaller, but the whole value will be larger. When you divide 1 by smaller number, the value you are receiving is a larger one. When you divide 1 by a greater number, the whole value you are receiving is a smaller one. So larger minus smaller, this gives 3 hours.